All right. So I painted the brackets yesterday, and I found some longer carriage bolts, and I'm just about to drive them home. Okay, I already have these two in over here on the passenger side. And I'm also going to pull those screws out of there and use carriage bolts to hold the toolbox floor in place. So this thin plate goes up on the top. Need a little bit of persuasion to get it into place. That looks pretty nice. And now I need two hands. So, I'm gonna bring you around over here. Set you up on the driver's side outer wheel and zoom in. There. All right. So there's the lower bracket. Just peeking around to see if the camera didn't fall over like it normally does. Now normally the smaller bracket here, or I should say the lower bracket here, was riveted to the frame. But since it was removed long before I got the truck, I have to make do with what I have. That's going to be fun to get that in there. Stand fast. All right. There we go. Just going to drop the bolt through the top here. Alright. You know, I'm not into doing handwork today. All right. Turn that down to 3. Just so much easier and faster when you have pneumatic tools. Finished. Okay, still in place. Yeah. Now I'm gonna come around over here. And it's a lot easier to get things seated when you have an impact driver. I forgot my 9/16. God, it's loud. Ugh. Crap, wrench is stuck. Ugh. All right, let's get a close-up out of me of the parts. That looks good. Now I put the lock washer in between the 2 brackets. It will still work the same way. What I'll probably do is get my grinder and cut the end of those carriage bolts off. Maybe, if I can fit it in. I doubt I'll be able to. So, all right. Gonna do the passenger side, and then we can go work on something else.